So welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I'll be showing you some of my slimes in my shop, and this one is cucumber and melon, or cucumber melon, and this is new to the shop and it's quite a popular trend at the moment in slime, and it's a lovely glossy slime that's scented with cucumber and melon, and this comes with some ASMR. So next we have chewed up bubblegum, and this slime has large white beads and mini pink beads in it to give it texture, just like chewed up bubblegum. Again, a popular trend in slime, and it comes with some packaging peanuts for you to add your own pop, crackle and squelch. Bit of fun slime play for you, and this is quite new to the shop, this slime. Okay, finally I'm going to show you making birthday cake slime. So for this I use 3 cents cupcake chocolate and vanilla, just to give it more authentic birthday cake scent. So I start this recipe with a basic slime, a white slime, and then to this I add some air drying clay. So it's a lot like Daiso clay, only it's cheaper. It's from Hobbycraft, and I did a video on this before, and it only costs £1 for a packet, and you can get it in several colours. So I'm mixing white in with this basic slime to give a nice thick clay texture. Super nice. So next I break off a small amount of this clay put the rest to one side, and to this I add some brown acrylic paint to look like the chocolate, because the base of this is going to be marbled chocolate slime and topped with a white frosting. So next, to take an equal amount of the white and mix it up, make it all marbled, and pop it in the base of the pot. And then I put the topping on. Look at that gorgeous texture, just love it. So next we pop on the sprinkles. These are just like hundreds and thousands, but of course they're Bimo, or Fimo, however you pronounce it, and some fake Smarties. I got these from America, but I wouldn't recommend it because the customs tax is just ridiculous. You don't want to know. And then here's a Fimo candle which I made myself. Yay! I got a mould from Etsy to make these, so that comes in a little separate baggie to go with your birthday cake slime, and there it is. So you can see the layers, the marbled bottom and the frosting top. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and there we have our birthday cake slime, complete with a sticker on the bottom. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!